As a language learner, being in the intermediate plateau can be an uphill climb that seems never ending, and you can lose your motivation altogether. How can you sustain it with a full-time job and other responsibilities? Hi, I'm a language learner and I've been at this for over a decade. But I had my ups and downs. 2 years ago, I completely stopped because I was just so fed up with it. But 3 months ago, I started again studying with a new attitude. And after 3 months, I have to say things are a little better. So here's what I did. Number one, I made sure to make it fun. I made fun a fundamental aspect of my language learning. Making it fun made it sustainable. It made it a joy to do. It made it something I look forward to. It's completely changed the game for me. So maybe list some things that makes language learning fun for you and focus on those things, and think about how you can repeatedly do them, or maybe try apps that seems interesting or fun for you to do. Okay, I've made videos about making fun my ultimate philosophy in language learning. I had this in this video here, you can check it out. Next is to set goals. Setting goals is important and it's different for everyone else, so it will depend on your situation, if you have family or kids, and how much time you can devote. Goal setting will be different for everyone else, but that's the thing. It will depend on our desire, on how advanced we want to be in the language. So it's important to set goals. It will define how much effort are we going to put into language learning. So set these goals first. So maybe do a yearly goal, a monthly goal, and a daily goal. So here's my video on how I did my goal setting for language learning. And lastly, but more importantly, is to set up a system. Setting up a system is arguably more important than setting up the goal, because the goal is not where the action is, but it's in the system. System sounds complicated, but it's just simply the set of actions that you're going to do to achieve your goal. So the system will depend on your goal. So the system can be like 5 minutes. If you find 5 minutes in a day, you will do your SRS or your space repetition system, for example. Or if you have 30 minutes, you will review 3 kanjis, like that. It will depend on the things that you find fun and the things that you want to achieve. So maybe in the next video, I will explain my Japanese language learning system. So if you're able to do this every day, the results are amazing. Even for just an hour a day, you will feel that the plateau is slowly sloping up, that you're actually improving day by day, that you have some improvement. It will give you the confidence that you are improving. Number 2, what it did for me was I was able to challenge myself to listen more in my colleagues' conversation. I'm not eavesdropping. This conversation happens during our meetings, but I usually don't understand them. But it doesn't make me give up to try to understand them. So with my ammunition of being able to study the night before, I feel like I have some ammunition to try to understand what they are talking about. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. But if I'm successful, that's a reason to celebrate. And the last thing, being able to do the set of things that I'm able to do every day, I feel encouraged that I will escape this intermediate plateau sooner or later. So that is very encouraging. So I hope you had value from this video. Again, if you want to know what my goals are for my language learning, here's the video. And if you want to know how I make my language learning fun, here's the video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!